Alright, this dragon needs to die. I think my ship crashes. Bam! It's good to feel the salt spray on my face once again. And this is a mighty fine ship. She doesn't look much, but she handles like a dream. How much longer? Look at those graphics. Cabin Boy Jenkins. Ooh, was that a green dragon? Oh, rest in peace. Alright, time to die, dragon. Should have taken some planks probably, but let's get those tunes playing. Time to die, dragon. Oh, okay, got wrecked. Lower. Come get a dragon. Uh-oh. 8? Dude, he is wrecking me. Was it always this hard? Jeez. Smack him. No, that's too loud. I thought he was a joke. He's rinsing me. Got him. Take your head, noob. Oh. What does it want me to do? Isn't he in Edgeville? Well, I'll see you there. I lied. You want to hear this music play? Oh no, how the jilly do I? Oh no. Oh. Walking Runescape with Muff Slammer. And his bestie, Chef Hog. Alright. Give me them stats. Have you slayed the dragon? Yes, I have. I have its head. You actually did it? I underestimated ye. Adventure, I apologize. You're a true hero. I'll be happy to sell your rune plate buddies. Oh yeah. Nice. That's what I want right there. Nice. 85k, that's a pass.